Watch closely. This stray dog got its head stuck in a can. It hadn't eaten in days. When it spotted food inside the can, it shoved its head in, desperate for a bite. But then, it couldn't pull its head back out. If no one helped, it could have been stuck for good. Weakened from hunger, it didn't have the strength to free itself. Just when things seemed hopeless, a kind man noticed the little dog. He rushed over to help right away. He tried several times to get the can off, but nothing worked at first. Determined to save the pup, the man decided to carefully break the can. After 5 tense minutes, the dog finally saw daylight again. But the rescue wasn't over yet. The can was still stuck around its neck. The man worked slowly and carefully. Knowing the dog's neck was delicate, he didn't want to cause any more harm. After some patient effort, he finally freed the dog completely. Then he offered it some food. The dog started eating like it hadn't eaten in days. In the end, the man made a heartwarming choice. He decided to give the dog a